Okay, today I'm going to be starting my video with a very controversial opinion, which is tech is actually very boring. Now, you might be asking how I came about this take. When you meet 10 people on your streets making use of iPhones and you ask them, oh, hey there, what's iOS? Out of every 10, I believe only 2 can give you a clear definition of what iOS means. But when you meet 10 people on your street and you ask them, hey, what does iOS do for you as a user? Out of each 10, I believe 8 can give you a very clear example of one situation that iOS has aided them as a person. Now, that's why companies like Apple don't market system architecture or their chipsets. No, they market the experience, not how it works, but what it lets you do. Now, in Web3 marketing, we focus on the exact opposite. Every day, new projects come up and they all are marketing how it works and know what it lets you do. So in this video, I'm going to give you 2 case studies about 2 major projects that actually came out and preached what they let you do over how they work, and they made a very big buzz in the space. Before we go on, if this is your first time seeing me, my name is Farouk and I am a content marketer. I create Web3 content marketing strategies for projects I actually want to get seen. And I also offer a 15 minutes free strategy call with Web3 founders that actually want to get seen. To book one of those calls, the link is up in my bio. Back to my case studies. Now, my first case study for you today is actually Pump.Fund, which we all know as Pump Fund. Now, Pump Fund did not actually go about preaching its tech or how they do what they do. They actually went about preaching what they do. Now, in their bio, it says where you can launch the next tradable meme coin in just one click for free. Now, that does not say anything about a decentralized token factor and automated bonding of protocol, which will actually sound boring. Now, it went about picking the language which users want to hear, which is what they can do with your project, but not how you do it, because no one actually cares about how most tech company does it. Now, the whole idea behind tech is to make life easy for users, but not users actually understanding the tech itself. What users want to understand is what tech does for them. Now, another case study I'll be introducing to you today is Phantom Wallet. Now, their bio just says friendly crypto wallet built for NFTs and DeFi, which means they focus on 3 major things: a clean UX, smooth NFT browsing, and easy swap. Which means Phantom Wallet did not actually go about trying to preach its tech, rather what it does, a friendly crypto wallet. Nothing about a tech shenanigans, no. It actually focused more on how it benefits you and I, which is the primary aim behind the project. Now, only few projects have actually come to understand that in Web3, when you preach what you do over your tech, you actually have an 80% chance over other projects. Because in every project in that category you're planning to build on, they're actually already approaching their tech. So why don't you start with something different? Preach what you do and not your tech. If you're watching this video, it's either on YouTube or on Twitter, which means one thing, you actually have the use for the app. But then you don't actually know how the app does what it does. How does Twitter aid social networking? How does YouTube educate us? How does YouTube open us up to content creators? We don't know any of this, but what we know is it does this, and that's why people to have the app installed on our devices. Now, I would urge Web3 projects to actually take pages for Web2 project content marketing book, not a literal book per se, but where they actually devised means of preaching what they do, which aided the massive adoption they have today. Now, in my next video, I would actually be creating a clear framework for you as a Web3 founder or as a Web3 project to convert a real world user or just a random city user into a loyalist of your project. You might be curious on how you want to do that, or you might be having a problem on how to do that already. No issues. I would actually be making a clear framework with clear examples on my next video. So till then, stay safe. by